What's good, YouTube? It's a brand new week. Today is Tuesday and the trading week is going to be starting from today. But guys, this is the new update. You know, last week I talked about how when I got to the phase 2, I passed the phase 2. Maven sent me a message I breached a rule, which is a news rule. But yesterday they told me I could appeal and they gave me the account back. So this is the account. But the account is starting freshly from phase 1. But I don't think I'll be documenting this challenge again, and I'm going to be aggressive now. You guys remember I was risking 1% on every trade, but now I'm going to be risking 1.5%. 6 losing trades, this account is gone. I think that's my new approach to Profirm. I'm not going to be wasting time with these firms again. On a good month, I'm going to pass the Profirm and get the withdrawal. On a bad month, I'm going to lose the Profirm. Shikina. But this week we are starting a new challenge. I want to turn a $20 to $1,000. I've already deposited the money into the broker. I use FBS to trade. Look at it here. And they even gave me a 100% bonus. Whenever I want to fund my small account aside Profirm, I tend to use FBS, only FBS. And that's what I used to fund this challenge. I funded a $20. Let's see how this challenge is going to be. No much talk. I'm going to update you guys when I take the first trade of this challenge and also the first trade of the week. I'm taking the first trade of this challenge and you can see the position here. You can see the trade running. You can see the trade. You can see the current account balance and everything. We're still floating. Let's see how this is going to be. I'm going to update you guys on this trade. Let's see how this is going to be. This is just the first trade of the week. Are we going to win this or if it's going to hit stop loss? That I don't know. But I'm going to update you guys. This is a nice trade, a deeper retracement after the bearish drop, and price is still bearish for my opinion. Let's see how this trade is going to be. At the end of the day, you can't tell if you're going to win or you're going to lose. If you look closely, break even have been secured on this trade because at this moment my stop loss have been adjusted to my entry. You guys know 1:1 I break even, and if you come here you'll notice I'm floating about 3.73 cents in profit. This is a cent account. Pay attention, this is a cent account. It's showing $2,000 here, but this is not $2,000. This is 2,000 cents. I funded in cents because I want to manage my risks properly. I notice when I'm trading small account, it's easier for me to manage my risks when I fund in cents than when I fund in dollars. As I said earlier, I trade with FBS. So FBS have this option, you can fund in standard and cents. This is $20 on this account and this is a cent account. I hope this clarifies this. I'm going to update you guys if this trade comes back to my entry or if it proceeds to hit TP, which is here. TP is just below. I hope it hits CP. Update you guys later. Guys, TP is about to be smacked in a minute. I don't know if I can record this live or it's gonna like do a little retracement to the upside before it smack TP, but TP is about to smack in a minute. Let's see. Is that candle selling or buying? What are you doing, man? TP smacked, TP smacked, TP smacked. Guys, TP smacked. You can see I made $8 today, which is 840 cents. And also guys, this is where I share my trade. You can see this was the setup when I took the trade from the trading view. Then this is when I updated the community that break-even was secured. And now, great start for the week. TP have been hit on this trade. There are about 93 people in this community. The link is in the description to join the Telegram channel. Honestly, it's a great start for this challenge. You guys can see it here. This is $28 from my FBS account. I told you guys I'm trading a cent account, so it's going to be easier for me to manage my risks effectively. You know, risk management is one of the major things that contributes to someone being profitable. We have the strategy, we have the psychology, and we have risk management. These 3 components make someone a profitable trader. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. For today, I'm done, and it's a great start for this challenge. What's good, guys? Today is Wednesday and I've taken the second trade on this challenge, which is the second trade of the week. Let me show you guys right away. If you look closely, you'll notice this is the trade setup, sells on NAS 100. I've taken the trade already. I'm floating up in profit about a few cents. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. I think this candle that just opened came with momentum. Let's see what this candle is going to do. This is the second trade of the week, guys. I'm going to update you guys on this trade. This candle that just opened, this 3 p.m. candle. This is going to cause volume to the market. Let's see anyway. Update you guys on this trade later on. So guys, today is Friday and I've taken the last trade of the week on NAS 100. Let me show you guys right away. You can see here, this is a buy on NAS. The previous trade on Thursday hit stop loss. No, I think this was on Wednesday. Yeah, this was the previous trade on Wednesday, hit stop loss, and I'm up $4. So if I lose this trade, I'm going to be break even for the week, and price is aggressively going to my stop loss. Is it going to hit stop loss? I don't really know, but my emotions are not really attached to this trade at the moment. Let's see though. This is a good trade. I hope it comes out profitable. So I've not set my TP yet for this trade. Soon enough I'll be setting my TP, but for now I'm going to update you guys about this trade. If you look here closely, you notice that I took a loss today on NAS 100, and I just realized all the 3 trades that were taken for this week was mainly on NAS 100. This was the first one, I made $8. The second one I lost. The last one I lost. If you notice, when it comes to this challenge, I'm still using the same process, the same strategy and everything. The same process I used in passing the phase 2 of that 5k Maven rejected the live account. That's the same process I'm still using here. And this is my first 2 losses in a row for a while now. Like, honestly, last trades from here, I've kind of been on winning streaks. So losses are coming out and it's not really bad. It's not really bad. Next week I'm going to come back again to trade this challenge, and honestly the challenge continues. Account is still active, account is still living, and I'm going to come back next week to see what I can get from the market. Today we are done. You guys know I take maximum of 3 trades for the week, and this is it. So the P&L for this week, I made nothing from the market. This week guys, I'm not really organized. My head, my psychology is not really straight up. Like, honestly speaking, I'm not in the right state of mind for this week. I know why I'm saying this. There's a lot happening this week. Like, this week have kind of been a rough week. I'm not really organized myself, because if you're not organized yourself, like, your lifestyle is going to affect your charts. You're not going to be organized when it comes to your trading too. So your lifestyle or your day-to-day life needs to be organized for your trading to be organized, and this week I suck. Anyway, we still keep a positive mindset, and I'm going to show back to the chart next week. I hope to catch you guys next week. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe, because this challenge is going to continue next week. I know you guys like to see all those crazy flip where someone turns $10 to $10,000 in 2 days. All those stuff are not realistic. This is reality of trading. The way I do trading, this is how trading is meant to be done. Because if you trade like this, you're going to sustain yourself in the game long enough. All those aggressive flipping $10 to $1,000 a day, 2 days, bro, you're not going to live off that. Be honest with yourself. You don't need anybody to tell you. Be honest with yourself. You can't live off that. So I'm going to catch you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend.